Good afternoon, everybody. Respected Director of the conference, Dr. M.G. Sri Kumar, Plenary Chair, Dr. Giridhar Kunkur, and all the office bearer of the LIS Academy. I am Bodhan Burman, working as an assistant professor in Department of Library and Information Science, Guwahati University, and the founder of LIS Links. I am presenting my paper on leveraging the technologies in library associations and organizations. So these are some of the content that we are going to discuss here during the session. Introduction, functional LIS associations, methodology, functional LIS associations in India, leveraging the technologies by LIS associations. Under this category, I will include 7. That is first website, then RSS, mailing list or email subscription list, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube. Then I will discussing problem in leveraging the technologies by LIS associations. Then conclusion, and lastly the references. So these are some of the highlights of my paper. As on 5th August 2020, there are 37 functional associations, organizations, NGOs, trusts, societies related to library information science in India. Among all the LIS associations, organizations in India, 9, that is 24.32%, has enabled RSS feed. 4, that is 10.81%, enable email subscription link. 16, that is 43.24%, use Facebook. 10, that is 27.03%, organizations have Twitter account. 2, that is 5.41%, use Telegram. And 6, that is 16.22%, organizations use YouTube. Andhra Pradesh Library Association, that is APLA, founded in 1914, is the oldest library related associations in India, which is still functioning, and it is a common fact. In terms of members, Indian Association of Special Libraries and Information Centers, that is ISLIC, is the largest LIS association in India. As per Alexa website, the Bengal Library Association, that is BLA, is the highly used website among all other websites of LIS related associations, organizations in India. The BLA also has the credit of having the largest number of reads in Facebook. Among all the LIS associations in India, as per Alexa, Indian Library Association, that is ILA, website receives the highest number of incoming links from other websites. Society for Advancement of Library Information Science, that is SALIS, has the highest number of followers in Twitter, largest number of email subscribers, and highest number of installation of its Android app. Orissa Library Academy, OLA, has the largest number of members in its Telegram group. It has also the highest number of YouTube subscribers, and its video receives the highest number of views in YouTube. Ranganathan Society for Social Welfare and Library Development, RSSWLD, has uploaded the highest number of videos in their YouTube channel. Let's now come to our paper. Introduction. When we talk about the library association, a library association is a formal group of library information science degree holder or people who work in the libraries or knowledge resource center and associated organizations or institutions related to library information science with the objective of furthering the growth and development of the profession, libraries or its members. Functional LIS association. When we talk about the functional LIS association, I have defined it in my own way. So I have put it in this way, that a functional library association is that library and information science related association and organization or NGO or trust or societies that have a functional website mapped to a custom domain name. So it simply means if any association have a functional website, then this kind of institution or associations are considered for this study. The methodology. A systematic search in the Google for the term name of the state library association. For example, Assam Library Association without quotes, triangular bracket and parentheses has been made, and then this search technique were repeated for all the states and union territories of India. The top 20 results retrieved by Google were considered for compiling the list of functional library associations, organizations, NGOs, trusts, societies in India. The list of websites thus compiled were visited over the web to find out the type of technology in terms of whether they use RSS, really simple syndication, or Telegram or Facebook. So these were the homepage of each of the organization were visited to know what kind of technology they are using to leverage. The study was limited to the links provided from the homepage only, and all data thus compiled were stored in a Google Sheet for analysis. Functional List Association in India. When you talk about Functional List Association in India, I have able to retrieve on 5th August 2020 37 functional association, organizations, NGOs, trust, societies related to library information science. Among all the associations or organizations in terms of member, Indian Association of Special Library and Information Center, that is IASLIC, is the largest association in India. Now, let's come to the leveraging the technologies by list association. When we talk about the leveraging of technology, it means the profit should be more than that of normal return. You can even use different kind of facilities, but your return should be more. In case of normal return, you should get the more return, then it will be called as leveraging. Leveraging technology may revolve around 7 fundamental technology components, and they are: first one is website, the second one is RSS, someone calls research summary, or someone calls really simple syndication, or there are some other terminology for this also. Then mailing list or email subscription list, then Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, and lastly the YouTube. Let's come to the first category, website. The global Alexa rank shows that Bengal Library Association is placed at the top level, which is followed by Indian Library Association, then Assam Library Association, then List Academy, and then Society for Library Professional. In terms of incoming link to the website, among all the list associations in India, as per Alexa, Indian Library Association website receives the highest number of incoming links from other websites, followed by Indian Association of Special Libraries and Information Center, IASLIC, and Central Government Library Association, CGLA. I have put the screenshot of both these associations. Then RSS. Out of the 37 association organization, 9, that is 24.32%, have enabled the RSS feed, and it is displayed prominently in their website. And these associations are Assam College Librarians Association, ACLA, Assam Library Association, ALA, Haryana Library Association, HLA. I have put in the alphabetical order. Jharkhand Information and Library Association, JILA, Kollam Karnataka Librarians Association, KKLA, Kerala Library Association, KLA, Karnataka State Library Association, KSLA, Society for Advancement of Library Information Science, SALIS, and Women Librarians Association of Assam, WLAA. I have put the screenshot of there. You can see their RSS feed, the icon of the RSS feed. Then mailing list or email subscription list. Out of the 37 association organization, only 4, that is 10.81% associations have enabled the mailing list or email subscription list. And they are Assam College Librarians Association, ACLA, Assam Library Association, ALA, Society for Advancement of Library Information Science, SALIS, and Women Librarians Association of Assam, WLAA. Among these 4 associations, Society for Advancement of Library Information Science, SALIS, has the largest number of subscriber members, that is 1,258. Facebook. Bengal Library Association, that is BLA, has the largest number of reach, that is 3,557, followed by Ranganathan Society for Social Welfare and Library Development, RSSWLD, 2,157, and Society for Advancement of Library and Information Science, SALIS, that is 1,465. Twitter. When we talk about the Twitter, out of the 37 organizations, 10, that is 27.03% organizations have Twitter account that link to their organization website, and they are ACLA, APLA, CGLA, KLA, OLA, RSSWLD, SALIS, SLA, SLP, and WBCLA. Out of all these organizations, Society for Advancement of Library Information Science, SALIS, has the highest number of followers, that is 182, followed by Kerala Library Association, KLA, 77, and Orissa Library Academy, OLA, 52. Let's come to the Telegram. I have not included WhatsApp. Why I have not included WhatsApp? These are mentioned in my complete full paper. Telegram. When you talk about the Telegram, 2 organizations, that is 5.41%, precisely Assam Library Association and Orissa Library Academy, OLA, have their own Telegram channel and group and link it from their website. The Orissa Library Academy, OLA's group, has the largest, that is 748 members in it. Now let's come to YouTube. 6 organizations, that is 16.22%, that is ACLA, LISA, MPLA, OLA, RSSWLD, and SLA have their own YouTube channel. Among them, Ranganathan Society for Social Welfare and Library Development, RSSWLD, has uploaded the highest number of videos, that is 44, followed by LIS Academy, LISA, 29, and School Library Association India, SLA, 22. The Orissa Library Academy, OLA, channel has the highest number of subscribers, that is 2050, followed by LIS Academy, LISA, 709, and Assam College Librarians Association, ACLA, 579. The videos uploaded by Orissa Library Academy, OLA, received the highest number of views, 46,012, followed by Assam College Librarians Association, ACLA, 11,038, and LIS Academy, LISA, 7,414. Then others. Societies for Advancement of Library Information Science, SALIS, Android app has the highest number of installation, 1,000 plus, among all the associations that has released their apps, and especially Android apps. Problem in leveraging the technologies by LIS association. So now I will try to highlight where is the problem lies in leveraging the technologies and or use it in the library association and organization. Firstly, I would like to highlight investment of the association is low on IT infrastructure. You will see the global picture, if you see the Forbes, the richest list of richest people in the world, we can see there are a lot of people who are from IT background are finding into the list. But when we come back to our association and organization, different kind of societies or other NGOs related to library information science, then we can see a picture that their investment is quite low on infrastructure, especially IT infrastructure, and high on other areas. So this may be one problem. Second one is technology infrastructure is not accepted as the property of organization. This is a major problem for most of the associations. There are some associations in which some executive member of a particular association or organization has launched one Facebook channel, Facebook page or Facebook group or a YouTube channel. And later on, when the new executive committee has come into the power, they don't forward their Facebook channel or YouTube channel to the next executive committee. They don't transfer it to the next generation. So that's a major issue. Then third one is technologies are not placed at the forefront or at the front end. Almost all associations are using WhatsApp, Facebook, or Telegram channel. But what problem we found in studying the library association and library organizations web page, that these channel, YouTube channel or social media are not placed at the forefront. It means the homepage of the website. So the most of the member find it difficult to find what is the Facebook page of the particular association or organization, or what is the particular channel of the particular library association or organization. Then next is proper weightage is not given to communication. In all kind of association or organization, communication with the member is the major. It is the major aspect that can lead to the success. But in most kind of organization or association, what we found is that fact that they only upload their whatever the events is there or whatever some kind of information, new informations are there, they only put into their website, but they don't bother it to forward to their members by way of other social media or through direct email. So that may be one major problem. Then words are suppressing our action. This is the reverse should be true, but here in association and organization, most cases in library association and organization, words are suppressing our actions. So what does this mean? It simply means most organizations, you take for example, almost all the associations, they are organizing how to use IT in library environment. They are discussing a lot of issues, how to launch digital library. But when you come to the association and the organization, their own aspect, when you come to their end, then even they are not using that kind of technologies. So this may be another problem. So more time consuming paperwork than to implement it. When some kind of a member, if a particular member of a particular association will approach the executive body and will say that, okay, I want to launch a YouTube channel for this association or organization, then what generally happen is the fact that that person or that particular people is asked to submit a write-up on that issue. So when we talk about the technologies, to implement that particular technology, it takes hardly half an hour. But if you're asking the particular member to write it in a piece of paper, then that particular member has to devote 2 or 3 hours. So more time is consumed in paperwork than to implement it. So rather than doing that, we can directly go for implementing it because it will save the time. Then Indian ideology. What is the Indian ideology? Is the fact that in our most of the association and organization, there is some leader. It may be general secretary or some president, or the terminology may be different for different kind of institution or organization. So there are some younger member and there is some senior member. And in case of younger member, if some new ideas are coming, they hesitate to communicate that idea to the chief of the or the main president or general secretary of the association. It is an ideology as because that they are the supreme power. They are having the supreme power. They are having a very huge age gap. So that's creating some kind of problem in some kind of association and institution. Then I'm concluding my paper. The technologies that were in place in association are not discoverable for the members of the association. In association, we are not reaching out to those who are interested and trying to reach out to those who are not interested. By this simple sentence, I want to mean that there are lots of members in almost all the association. We are not reaching out to our register member, and we are focusing on to reach to those who are unreachable. Only self-introspection will help the association to overcome the problem and help in achieving something that they are struggling hard to achieve for years. These are the references. If you want to access the raw data on which that complete paper is written, then you can access it from this website address. Then if you have any kind of question, then I will be happy to answer. Thank you.